Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. Haven't made a video in a while just because the car is still not road worthy. Still haven't got the tags on it. So today we're gonna be doing something different. Let me show you. Alright, so if you check it out, my carpet has all these lines on it. You're probably wondering why, or you know why. So I was really tired of the tan interior. It was super dirty and it looked like crap, like complete just bad. It had red stains everywhere, black stains, and it just looked bad when I was trying to like show people my car or people were jumping in. So I grabbed some of that not plasti dip, but like flexible paint for carpets and vinyl, and I sprayed it on, and it held up fine for a couple of weeks. But if you look at it now, like it looks bad, and there's certain spots that like got even worse, where the paint rubbed off completely. But even then, it looks a lot better than what it was. So some people might be like, why would you even do that? Trust me, it looks a lot better. Even with the lines, even with it fading somewhere, it looks a lot better than it was. But today we're gonna fix that. We're also gonna be fixing these tan door panels. All of them, all four. So SDGARAGE, I'll put it right here. Bam, SDGARAGE. SDGARAGE hooked us up with some black door panels. They posted on their Insta if anybody wanted them free, and my brother hit me up, Havoc the Shark. He hit me up to go pick them up, so we're gonna be changing those out today, and we're gonna be fixing that carpet as well. So yeah, I'll give you an idea of what it looks like. If you're in that partial transition where you're going from tan to black, it'll give you a good idea of what the car will look like. And yeah, we'll go from there. Show you a little bit of how it's done. All right, so the first step is gonna be removing this wooden panel right here. Just grab something, make sure you don't scratch it like a flathead. It's covered. Pop it. From there, use your fingers and you can pop it out. And I got that. Pretty easy. All right, the next step is a T20. Little Torx. T20. I don't know if you can see it, but T20. Your extension. I'm gonna use this automatic one because it's taking time. Just make sure you get it right on. If not, it feels a little weird. So you'll feel resistance if you're doing it right. So we got the 3 out. Alright, so I got the flathead. There's a little wedge on the bottom, little edges you can feel. Just stick your screwdriver in there covered, pop it up. After you pop it up, just pull it out and it should start coming out. At the top, you just want to pull out. Alright, so once you have the door off, you're going to want to disconnect these speaker wires and the door latch right here. There's also, looks like a wire on the bottom, so we'll disconnect that as well. This one running up, so show you in a second what that looks like. On the door latch, there's a little clip on the back. It goes like this. So just make sure you get this clip out right here. Bam. And you're good. Alright, figure I'd show you this one too. For this one, you just gotta push this little clip at the top. You'll see that slide down. Once that slides down, pull that out. Bam, you're good. All right, next we want to remove the speaker. It's gonna be a size 8. We're gonna go ahead and put it on this empty one. Just 3 bolts, nothing crazy. All right, so my new door panels, they don't come with this switch right here, so I'm gonna have to take it off mine. Eventually order a black one, but for now I'm just gonna pop it up. So yeah, to get this one out, you're just gonna stick your screwdriver right here, pop it up, same thing on the other side, and you're good. Fairly easy. Now we'll transfer it over to the other one. See how it looks. Alright, so that's pretty much all we had to do for the driver's side. Now we're going to put it back on. Sorry, before that you want to install all the clips that you took off the other door into this one. Try to keep as many OEM clips as you can, just because those have the best fitment, I guess. That way you don't get any weird rattles or anything crazy. So we'll go ahead and do that and come back. Now that we got these little clips on the door, we're gonna start connecting all the cables back and start putting everything back together. Don't forget the little LED at the bottom of the door panel. This one you'll just slide from the bottom. That's it. Goes right here. Bam. Perfect. Get this door back on. Go from there. Sweet, so we got everything connected. We got the door latch back on. Sorry, make sure it's closed before you put it on, or else you're gonna run into the same problem. I'll keep this one closed. That way you can open. Cool. Now line the clips in as best as you can. They are kind of a pain, so and just go around the edges, make sure it's kind of got a good seal. Once you're pretty confident with it, start putting the bolts back in. You should have 3. And yeah. Alright, so once you got your 3 bolts in, just make sure it's secure. And we're gonna go ahead and put this wooden trim back on. Just make sure yours didn't detach any plastic clips like mine did one. Alright, one from here.
I'm not a writer. Okay.
Yeah. And that's it for this side. Alright. So I'll take pictures after everything's done. Let's move on to the other doors. It's going to be the same process. There's only going to be one thing different, which is going to be the handles. I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm going to just take off all the door panels because it'll be faster. I already went ahead and took... There's only 2 bolts on the ones in the back. 1, 2. The only difference, any one of them that has a handle, which is all of them except the driver's side, you're going to want to pop your screwdriver right here. Pop it. Once it's popped, go ahead and take this cover off. Right? And there's going to be a bolt right at the top. Once you take that bolt off, that'll be your 3rd bolt. And you're good to go on the back for both sides. Alright, so for the back door handles, they're really sticky on the inside. So I went ahead and, I don't even want to touch it because it's so sticky. I went ahead and bought some new ones. Complete set. Inside and out, because it's a 2-piece, the cover and the back. We're going to go ahead and drill out the cover. Sorry, drill out the back. It'll be these 2 right here. And then you should be able to pull it up. I'll go ahead and drill it out and show it to you. Okay. Alright, so I got the really sticky one off. Looks really bad. You have to pretty much, there's 2 of these on the bottom. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then just pull it off and it'll come out pretty easy. Now we'll put the new ones on. And yeah, we'll go from there. Right. On my donor door, some of these clips are messed up or missing. Just take them off your other door. I mean, if you're gonna throw it away, or if the person you sell it to, just explain it to them and they can use the same process and take it off their own. All right, so got the door panels installed. Check it out. So yeah, it's pretty much what it looks like. I mean, not bad. I had to leave the brown or beige switches on still, but I think with the doors and the black dash, maybe if I switch out some of the center console stuff, and the back seats eventually are either going to get deleted or they're going to get switched out for black seats as well. But everything should look really good once it all comes together. Also, I got to run some errands today, so I can't do it right now. But tomorrow I'm going to be dyeing the carpet so it's darker, and that should make it look better. I'll try to see if I can find any plastic trimmings between now and then. But yeah, come back tomorrow. Peace.